I'm gonna tell you what a sub niche and a niche is. How you get more views when you do them. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with a niche. A niche is this topic that you talk about again and again. So, for instance, if you do gaming content, then you play one particular game. Then, when you do a subtopic, then you do this. A subtopic is when you niche that even more and you pick a subtopic of that topic. So, for instance, the way to simplify this, if you do gaming content and you pick a particular game you want to do, maybe you want to do funny moments of that game, or speed ones, or how-to content. Yes, some of these is really helpful when you want to pick a narrow group of people. But there's a warning to this. You can niche down so far that when you feel uncreative and video topics. That's why I say you didn't pick a sub niche. But my niche is YouTube growth. So if you like that kind of content, and I teach you how to go on YouTube, so you should subscribe if you want to. You should. If you like that video, then you should like this video right here. And just go to that video and I'll see you there. It's very helpful. It shows you how to hacking viewers. Bye.